This here is going to be a motor replacement for the Vacwerks 150 and the Vacwerks 200. They're both identical motors. Everything's identical. There is no change whatsoever. Okay, this right here are 5mm socket head. Okay, now this will be loose here. This right here is your cable release here. There's your marking. You'll want to back this one off up here. Slide the motor out, having exposed here. This plastic cap right here, underneath there are two tabs, two brown tabs. Pull those tabs apart and the plastic housing will come up. And expose the motor. Right here, you have two lines going. Take a small head screwdriver, put it inside the slot, and push down, and this will pop out. Pop out. Now, just hold the bottom tabs there and pop the housing up and working its way out. New motor. It's a part number. Comes with a seal. Here's the cap. Takes those two tabs underneath, open them up, pull away, and the cap comes off. Set your motor down, working its way. Careful, do not damage the impeller. You'll have to work the wires above. Do not have the wires between the plate and the motor. And there are a couple guide pins in there, one on each side there. They go into the housing here. Set them down, push flat. Push down and have it seated. Those wires, where you pull them out of the slot, now, a little further, take a cloth, squirt a little bit of cleaner on there, clean the base, And a good time too to check your screen. Make sure you have nothing there. Take like a wire brush or something and wipe the surface so you're clean, and the surface of your motor, your vibration seal. Position it, leave way around. Now you just slide the motor back. Make sure you pull up any wires so they're not in your way. Line up your release. And make sure you have no obstructions there. Lining up your And if you do any unpulling of any of the wires, it may be good to take a picture before you start pulling wires so you know you have all the wires correct. And then just go back to your cable release. We turned this top one, we didn't touch the adjustment, so we screw it down until it's seated on your adjustment. Put your cap back on. Again, thing to do is just turn them a couple times just to get the holes lined up.